I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord. Well, if you told me you were drowning, I would not lend a hand. I've seen your face before, my friend, but I don't know if you know who I am. Well, I was there and I saw what you did. I saw it with my own two eyes. So you could wipe off that grin. I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of lies. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. Well, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. Well, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Well, I remember, don't worry. How could I ever forget? It's the first time, the last time we ever met. But I know the reason why you keep your silence up. No, you don't fool me. Well, the hurt doesn't show, but the pain still grows. It's no stranger to you and me.
Now, this was all about just doing something that absolutely terrifies me, okay? When I said I'm gonna do a Phil Collins cover, legendary song, I could get absolutely flamed online. I could get people just saying the most negative things, right? And then I said, well, Phil sings, so if I'm doing a Phil Collins cover, maybe I should try and sing it as well. And so I went into the studio and did the vocal track, and my goodness, that was terrifying. I was absolutely terrified. But in these times where we are somewhat terrified, we have the most growth. And somewhat means we are planned, we are calculated, we are thinking deeply, we are kind, we are loving. There's so many things that go in the somewhat. But it's important to make yourself a little bit terrified. Take that next gig, commit to the jam session, put a video online, just put yourself out there. And that's where you're going to experience the most growth. There's so many important people that came together to make a video like this happen. So I just want to say a big thank you to all of the people involved. The staff here, setting up all these drums. We had 99 toms, okay? I said 99 toms and a snare in one of them, other than this beautiful snare here. But the crew really came together, okay? The whole fill was done in one take. And this beautiful AOT drum set, which is a piece of Vancouver drumming history, was lent to us by Jim Konowalchuk. The concert toms just really set it off for a Phil Collins cover. So make sure you like, subscribe to this video, and leave a comment below. What are you doing in your drumming that's terrifying you? I would love to read it. All right, see you in the next video.
I can feel it.